Hello, hello, and thanks for tuning in. So yeah, I just want to do some finishing touches here on this shelf unit that we just picked up at IKEA. I mean, basically everything here in Daniel's room is from IKEA, and it is a small room to begin with. And we try to see what, we try to do the best with the space that we had. And so we got him a bunk bed, so if he has a friend, he has the room for him to have a sleepover. And what I did over here, I mean, this is one of the major things that I really did, was this used to have those sliding doors for the closet, and we couldn't find a place to put the chest of drawers, because as you can see, it's a pretty tiny room. So over there's the bed. Over here we don't really have much wall space, because of the window being there. And then over on this wall, you have the entrance, you have his desk. I put up some shelves, and this I've just been waiting for from IKEA, because as soon as it came in, it basically was gone. And this is something that they really showed in the bathroom section, but I think it would work well in here for the limited space that he has, so you can have shelf stuff and all that kind of kid stuff. I mean, you can see, he doesn't have much room in here, and I think any little bit of storage space helps. So yeah, so really the biggest thing was just taking those doors out, being able to put the dresser in there, and then just to decorate it up a little bit. We put curtain rod, put the curtainings on there just to give it, give it a little bit more of a homey kind of a feel about it. But anyway, I got this in. And basically what I want to do is I want to put this shelf unit up. Now I just want to make sure that this is against the wall. There we go. And I tell you, I mean, for a kid's bedroom and for certain kind of furnishings, kind of like kitchen cabinets, for instance, and stuff like that, I mean, IKEA, I wouldn't say is for everything, but there's a lot of stuff that's really, good. And having come from the cabinet industry myself, and owning or being part owner of a manufacturing plant, like I said, everything inside this room is from IKEA, including the desks, the shelves, this here, the lamp. I mean, everything in here is from IKEA. And for a kid's bedroom, you can't beat it. The quality is decent. I mean, everything is CNC equipment now. So all the products that they produce is uniform, because all computer-based. All the machines are computer-based. Just want to make sure there's no stud behind here. Okay. What about here? No, okay. So there's no studs there. So let me put these anchors in. I'm also going to secure here to the floor, because this is a wood floor and I don't want it to slide forward. So the main weight is really not going to be up on top here, but I do want to secure it with this. There we go. Get the screws. Let's get this wall unit in there. Well, the shelf unit, let me say. Okay. I'll make sure I get it into that hole there, which I should. Let me make sure I get it in there. If I can peek behind, yeah, there you go. Okay. And then the other one should go right in there as well. No. definitely is not going in there. There we go. I don't want to overturn it, it doesn't need to be. Well, I think that's more than secure. There we go, perfect. Okay, so it's all against the wall, perfect. Now, I just want to add a couple of things here, just to secure. I just wanted to bring it up a bit. Would this suffice? No, not really. So let's do this here. Let's push this up against the side. Okay. So, okay, that's the one. Now we'll do the other. Looks like my next door neighbor is also doing some work there. Okay, let me get this. So that we have that all set. And like that, at least it has. Come on. Are you kidding me? Okay. Yeah. Center. Normally you obviously pre-drill, but there's no need for to do it here. Okay, so this is not going to slide forward when you start putting weight on that. And there we go. It's all installed. I just have to clean it up a little bit. And just put this here. And then I'll go do the same with my daughters. Okay, and mommy can obviously decorate how she wants. What else can I put up here? Let's see here. Let's take this. Put it up here. There you go. Okay, what else? How about this guy over here? Where should I put him? Over here. There we go. There we go. And let's see. I could go over here. Okay. And then let's take this little medal that he got. Maybe hang it over here. How's that? Cool. Okay, so at least now he has a lot more room to hang his stuff. So that's that. Let me go into my daughter's room and see what we can do there. I mean, she's basically going to have the same shelf. You know, she does have that. But again, she also has a lot of, well, basically all this furniture in here is also from IKEA. So everything in here is an IKEA product. Her room is a lot bigger, you know, but you know, again, IKEA furniture, and for, I mean, it doesn't even need to really be for a child's bedroom, you know, a teenager's, but they do have, like I said, decent stuff, really decent stuff at IKEA. And yeah, it's because, let's do here, let's see, is that against, let's see if it's where I want it to be. It's close enough. Okay, let's do the same process. Before I do that, let me just make sure it's up against the wall properly. Yes, okay. Again, a repeat of what I did earlier. Where can I support this in the meantime? Let me put it up against here. Okay, that'll stay. Now, let me just make sure that there's no stud behind here. No, okay. I wonder if it's a double sheetrock wall because it seems... Yeah, I think so. So, let's get this in. Overdo it. Okay. Get the screws ready. Yeah. A lot more light here for me to see what I'm doing. Okay, where's the other one now? Come on. There it is. Okay. Screw it in. Other side. Okay, good. Just make sure it's nice and snug. Okay, there we go. Now, we finish it off here. We're putting these down so it doesn't slide forward, because it is a wood floor. And you see, you don't want it to slide forward like that, otherwise it would just slide, you know. At least, even though you have the weight down, it's not going to surprise slide out on this. Oh, okay, that's what I didn't want. The screw cracking. Well, what are you going to do? That's what happens when you don't pre-drill. I'm going to have to get the screw out, but I won't bore you with that. Let me just do this one here. Okay, all done. And like I said, the other one I want to take a screw out. But there we go, all set. And obviously she can do what she needs to do, so to decorate that. Okay, so there we have it. So thank you for watching, and until my next video, keep your side stand, or as I say in America, your kickstand up and the rubber side down. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.